Yet another video of this series actually. So I'll be making some of the videos around the application that ChatGPT basically supports. So in this video today, as of now, we'll be discussing how ChatGPT supports things around the Python API actually. So today we'll be discussing around how we can generate SQL queries, Python docstrings just by using ChatGPT actually. So trust me, I've tried it. It's like really awesome. Uh, I I actually fear what it will exactly do to the jobs of business analysts actually. With no offense, I mean I myself is actually a data engineer, and I know it can actually help us in a lot of things. And so overall I'll be giving you a demonstration of how this thing basically works with Python by just citing these simple functions of Open API. I have just installed Open API by using pip, and I'm basically using two functions, one for generating SQL response, another for using the docstring response actually. So let's quickly jump into how we can actually set the things up actually. So if you see, the first thing that you need to do is actually generating the API keys. Okay, so once you generate the API keys, you can go and directly use it here in the open.api key. If you want, I can directly give you this code in GitHub just as well. So trust me, you should actually be writing a you know normal text actually, where you just write create a SQL to find all the users who live in India, using chat gpt, joining the data for country table, join it with orders table to filter orders, uh, to filter users who having more than 5 products. So this is like a random query I've given. I've not copied it from chat gpt's example or something. This is like a random query which came to my mind. I've just given it. So when if I'm executing this particular query, it's actually giving me a lot of correct results actually. And the accuracy of what I was expecting is close to 95 to 96% actually. And similar is the case with the docstring as well. If I write a code, if I want to generate the docstring for that, it's giving me quite fair results actually. So you just put your API key here, write whatever SQL you want to put. Even the bigger SQL. So if you see, I have used two. I basically asked in this statement to put two joins. It's actually giving me two joins. And here you basically can pass on your function. And if you still want to see what's the exact format, so there, this is the function, how it exactly looks like. So there are two params here, 33 params. Eventually it will be giving me this as a response. So without waiting too much, and I just want to showcase you how we can actually execute it. So just this is like a normal Python file. I just went to my console and been like chartgpt.py. We have to wait for 5 to 10 seconds so that it we receive the response back from the ChatGPT servers. So I'll be first getting the MySQL response, the SQL response. So if you see, select you know name, product count from users, inner join, country, and join it with orders, right? It actually hasn't given me the where the users whose count was greater than 5. That's okay, but still it is able to join the it with countries and join with the order. So it has actually given me quite a close result actually, right? So, and apart from this, uh, this was my second response. You can ignore the rest of it actually. I've by mistake entered it twice actually. right? So as I was discussing it with you, it would be generating the data in some of this format. You can print it in a pretty format later point of time, but you could see here it's generating all the docstring types, all the docstrings of Python. So like, overall, if you see it, like I feel it's like a very cool thing, and in the coming days we may be seeing something around Spark as well, and building other data engineering pipeline where we need to use a lot of code. So quite useful in terms of generating the sample codes or even the exact codes as well. And let's see where it exactly goes. And I hope you would have actually liked this video. If so, please drop down your comments, and do like the video and subscribe to the channel for further updates around ChatGPT and other things. What's exactly going on, the data engineering and the rest of the world is around the software engineering as well. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.